How to set up WooCommerce free gifts and buy one get one BoGo deal. In this tutorial, we are going to find out how to set up free gifts for WooCommerce, which are the best way to encourage potential customers purchasing products from your online store. IT Gift Product Plugin, with a lot of easy-to-use options, can help you to manage and issue attractive gifts with different conditions, such as Buy X, Get X, or Buy One, Get One, BoGo. How to set up a Buy N, Get N for free, or BoGo Buy One, Get One deal. To create WooCommerce free gifts in our plugin, you need to add rules at the main page, which is available by navigating to this address, and you can see Add Rule button on the middle of screen. To create WooCommerce gifts, you just need to press the Add Rules button and set your preferred conditions by getting help from the options provided in the Gift Rule tab. Let's see how to create a Buy X, Get X free promotion in your WooCommerce shop store. As soon as adding a rule, a new tab will open including 4 sections: Method, Quantities, and Settings, Products, Buy. These sections are designed to make issuing WooCommerce free gifts more convenient for store managers. Follow this guide to learn how to set up Buy X, Get X BoGo, Buy One, Get One, or 2 for the price of 1 deals. Method. In the Method section, at first you have to choose the type of WooCommerce free gifts you are going to create. In the combo box under Method field, all possible methods have been listed, so you can choose one of them according to your requirements. If you want to create a BoGo Buy One, Get One, you need to choose Buy X, Get X from the list and try to set the other conditions as following. Quantitative, based on. There is no need to set any value in this field. Rule name. To distinct gifts from each other, you can assign a rule name in this field. Description. It is also possible to write a description about WooCommerce free gifts to help customers better know what you are offering them. In the next section, you can specify the quantities to issue WooCommerce free gifts exactly as you need. Let's try to create a BoGo gift to make it clear. How to set up Buy X, Get X BoGo, Buy One, Get One, or 2 for the price of 1 deals. BoGo gifts refers to those WooCommerce free gifts that customers pay for 1 product, but they can order 2. Most of the time, the BoGo gifts allow customers to just buy the same products. However, in this plugin, you can set conditions in different ways to let your customers even add other products to their carts after purchasing 1 product. At first, to issue a BoGo gift, you have to set the quantities and settings as following: Buy One, Get One. You can also mark the following conditions if it is necessary. Same gift. It means the same product will be added to the cart. Auto Add Gift to Cart. By choosing this condition, the gifted product will be added to the customer cart automatically. Products Buy. If you want to assign WooCommerce free gifts to some special products, you need to add those products in this section by clicking on Add Product button. As soon as pressing Add Products, a new RAW will display under Products Buy section to help you exactly specify the required products. For example, we selected Product Category from the list of first field, then chose In List in the next field. In the third field, we assigned our preferred categories by following some steps. Type a letter in the Select Values box, such as A. Choose the preferred categories, like accessories. You can add as many categories as you need in this selection box. Conditions. In this section, you can add conditions to limit using the WooCommerce free gifts based on your preferences. As appear here, you have a lot of options to set the conditions, including date and times, cart items, quantity, subtotal, customer, value, purchase history quantity. Value. For example, we selected cart items products from the list, which means using this gift depends on the cart value. Then we chose all of selected in the next box, which means all of the selected products in the Select Values box can be added to the cart as a gift. Finally, we selected cap, sunglasses, and beanie in the Select Value box to activate this WooCommerce free gift for them. When everything looks good, the WooCommerce free gift will be activated by clicking on Save Changes. As you can see, the BoGo gift was added to the WooCommerce. You can deactivate this gift by choosing Disable from the combo box designed in front of it.